Hey gang, thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
And it is definitely going to be an adventure.
Definitely. Today we're in the town that's not only known for all of its Santa Clauses, it's got one heck of an amusement park.
And right now it's Halloween themed. Join
us for a spooky but not too scary tour of Holiday World and Splashing Safari in Santa Claus, Indiana.
We're Jim and Vanessa. Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure.
Ooh. All right, let the Halloween begin. Like that. If you've never been here, Holiday World is all about, you guessed it, holidays. I guess in keeping with the town's name of Santa Claus, it only makes sense. And you'll find most every holiday represented here, including, yes, Christmas. Seriously, the Santas are everywhere. The Raven, that's what everyone comes for. Huge roller coaster, very scary. Have fun, y'all. I don't know about the Raven, but look at this monster. Oh, man. One of my favorite areas, they do diving shows. Right there, you see this pole that goes way up like 3-4 stories? Guy goes up there and jumps off a perfectly good pole. I know. Oh, no, I don't think so. Wow. By the way, they offer free parking, free sunscreen, and free Cokes, soda. Very nice. You get coffee at the Perky Turkey in Thanksgiving Land. Yeah, no, it makes sense though. A magic show going on. What do you know?
Give it up for AJ!
Not every part is lit up or Halloween themed, but there's going to be trick-or-treating later. Okay, I think I found a ride I can handle. Yes, sir! It's on a rail, I can do that. Then there's this thing. Who rides things that drop you? Not me. Not me. The line appears to be a long one. Wow, seriously, that thing is tall. Whoa! Ah! Ah! Not only does it drop you, it shoots you up. So never getting on that one. Not too spooky, you gotta love the graveyard. Anita Bath, Claire, Buoyant. Vanessa found this one. Here lies my husband, God bless his soul. He died of grief when he lost the remote control. I'm relating. Okay, here we go. Thanksgiving land. Coffee, maybe? Still haven't really seen any trick-or-treating going on. Wanting some candy, man? Let's check this out. Give me a tourist shot. Got some kind of cool magnets. Maybe a t-shirt or two. Maybe a t-shirt. Look, coffee. This is the Voyager, the #1 rated roller coaster in the world for the last 5 years. You know we're not going to ride it, right? It is Thanksgiving land after all. I gotta have the world's biggest can of cranberries. Look at this one, just the other side of Good Gravy, the roller coaster. This is 1950s setup. How cool is this? And Harry Potter pictures.
My butter, my biscuit. Someone moved the gravy to the back burner. Nobody puts gravy in the corner.
Wow. I don't know what this has to do with a roller coaster, but it's different. Again, what this has to do with a roller coaster, I have no idea. I love it. This, by the way, was labeled as a restroom, but I don't think it's really usable. Okay, wait a minute. It sunk in. The name of the ride is Good Gravy. Thanksgiving Land. This is Grandma's house. Oh, this is so excellent. And look at, look, haunted. It's haunted. Look. Grandma's place. And they're ready for the big turkey dinner. Check this out over here. What is that? The attic? Are you kidding? It's an attic. Unfortunately, on what Holiday World calls their Happy Halloween weekend, they're only open between 5 and 10. It's now 10, and we've got to go. We didn't get to all the park we wanted to. Gonna have to come back. Thanks for joining us, guys. We so appreciate it. If you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing and hang on till the end. We've got a special show coming up. And we're just in time for the drone show.
Hey, we got a good view of it right
Yeah, that's great.
Is that how you spell Halloween? Hallween.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I call it.
Wow.